Hi friends, this is Hemant here, and today we'll learn how to revert mistakes from the code which we have checked in GitHub. So for that, first let me create a new repository. Let's give it a name of test git and create it. Okay, once we have created, let me copy this and go to a folder and open git bash. Okay, so git clone and paste. Okay, so our repository is cloned. Let me go inside that repository and do ls, so there are no files in it. So let me create one file called abc.txt and insert and give my first message. Okay, so and save this file. So this file is created. Let me see the content of this file. It has that first message what we just typed. Okay, now let us check in this file or do a git status first. Okay, if I can spell git correctly, it's git status. So currently my abc.txt is in untracked file, so let me add that. So this is added. Now let me do git status again. So now changes to be committed are there in abc.txt. Then git commit -m first commit. Okay, if I do git status, git status now. Okay, and git push origin master, put in my credentials. Okay, so I have pushed my code to my git repository. Let me refresh this page and see if I can see that abc.txt. Okay, I have this abc.txt. This is my commit message and the content of abc is first message. Okay, let me go back and again let me open this abc file, give a second message, insert second message and save this file and do cat abc.txt. so if you can see, there are two messages, first message and second message in my abc.txt. so currently this is in my local system. If I go in this abc.txt, you can see only the first message. Now let me check in this file. First let's do git status. It's in changes are not stage, so let us stage that. Git add abc.txt, git commit -second message. This is committed. Now let's push it to repository, git push origin master. Okay, again it would ask me for credential, so my email id and my password. So I put in my credentials, so this would go into, okay, the authentication failed. Let me put it again. Govekar. So I've put in my credentials. Let's see if it is pushing. Yeah, it pushed my second message changes, and let me refresh this page. Now we can see the first and the second message. Now let's see what logs I have got. Git log. Okay, it shows me two logs. The first check-in which I did was first commit, and the second one. Now what I want to do is I want to revert these changes. I saw some changes in this which were not supposed to be there, so let me revert this second changes and get it to first commit whatever was there in the first commit in the repository as well as in my local system. So currently if I see in my local system in the abc.txt, I have two messages, first message and second message. So let's try to revert this. So the command is git revert. Okay, before this command, let me get the clear this out and git log. Okay, so I need to copy this hash, okay, and do git revert and insert paste. Okay, what this would do is revert my changes which were there in the second message. Okay, and see, this is my revert message, the commit message which would be stored. So just have a look at it. This is revert message. Okay, so I'll show you where this would show in the logs. Escape. Okay, so now I'm done reverting my changes, and let's see abc.txt. So if you see, the second message is not there. Okay, but if I come in my repository, git repository, and do a refresh, I could still see this second message. Okay, so the revert has taken place locally but not on the git repository. So next step would be just to push my local changes in the repository. So the command is git push origin master. Okay, it would again ask me for credential. Let me pull in that first, and my password, and I've checked in my changes now. So let me again do git abc.txt. This is my first message, and see this, I have first and second message. Now I'm going to refresh my page and it shows only first message. So the changes which I made in the second commit are all gone. I have this abc.txt, and see this, the second revert message which I pointed out in the vi editor. So this is now shown over here. Interestingly, what let us go into this git log and see. First let me clear the screen and git log so that we have a good real estate. So if you see over here, this was my first commit, this was my second commit, and this was my third commit, which was the revert second message. So if you see that it the git has kept a track of my second message as well. So in future, if we want to revert this message, revert this commit and come back to this, I would have all those changes. So what git revert does is it reverts first into your local system, and then you need to push whatever is there changed in your system to the git repository. So in doing this, it would store all the changes which were present earlier plus the revert of your commit, and it would give a message that revert second message which was there in your second message. So this is how you change or revert your mistakes what you have done in your local system and pushed it to the git repository. So hope this helped you, and if you are stuck, like you put all your changes in your repository and then you want to revert those changes, this is how you do it. Okay guys, so this is what I had planned for this video. Do like, share and comment on my video. Thanks for watching.